Enviroscape LA, and I'm here at the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden. I want to present to the world a world premiere of the rainwater catchment system, what we have going here. The whole reason that this whole building got actually we demolished the old building that was here and we erected a new building is we're going to call it something about butterfly roof, butterfly hut. The reason why is if you take a look at the roof up there, it actually is not like your conventional roof down like this. It actually is like a butterfly. The whole reason for that being is that it's going to catch rainwater, push it to the middle, and then from the middle there's a hole in the roof that actually leads to a pipe. The pipe comes out right here, and so this is going to catch 50 gallons of rainwater. Well, I've got to tell you, 50 gallons of rainwater is not a lot of rainwater to catch. And then it is something, it's better than nothing, but we could do better. So what we did was we actually put an overflow on this, so when this thing fills up, it's going to come down here, it's going to go to a sump pump, and then it's going to pump the water into this 530 gallon rainwater catchment system. Now check out, it's actually on right now. Check this out. It's actually filling the system up. This is what's going to happen when it rains, and then this water is going to be captured for reuse at a future time. It's going to be rainwater. So let me put that back on. Now let me demonstrate to you how we're going to use this, because obviously this is not it's not elevated, it's actually below, it's actually at ground level. So we have a Bushman pump here, and so we hooked it up, and all I've got to do, take the top off, and I want to have access to the rainwater, and I press a button, and now the pump is working, and voila, there's rainwater. There's not a lot of pressure because this is not, it's not full yet, but our next rain, I guarantee you, this whole thing is going to be full, and then we're going to have access to 530 gallons of rainwater. And with the other little cistern, the rain barrel, that'll be almost 600 gallons of rainwater the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden is going to be using on site. It won't be going off as runoff into the oceans, polluting our oceans. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think rainwater harvesting, low impact development, best management practices, think Enviroscape LA. Take care.